Hi, I'm Eric Allen for Eden Brothers, the seediest place on earth. We've heard from several of our customers who have planted long beds of flowers in spring and enjoyed full bloom all summer into fall. All you do is pick a sunny spot and clear a bed long as you want it, and sow the seed. This bed is about 100 feet long, and it includes two of our most popular seed mixes: Sunny Sunflower Mix, which has 10 kinds, and our Zen Master mix that has 6 varieties of zinnias, short and tall. Both sprout quickly, and here's how it looks in full bloom by midsummer. One of our customers did about the same for her daughter's wedding and wrote us all about it. She called it her wall of flowers. Her review says, "I planted a 100-foot bed of these along my fence as a backdrop for my daughter's wedding last summer. The wedding was in August, and some of the zinnias were 5 feet tall. We used cut zinnias on all the tables as well. All the guests raved about the beautiful flowers. By the end of the season, the flowers ranged in height from 6 inches to 7 feet tall. A true wall of flowers." So don't hesitate. Pick your spot, nice and sunny, and put in an instant flower border. You'll love it all summer and fall. And remember, you can buy any of our seeds, flowers, vegetables, or wildflowers, in just a packet, a quarter-pound sack, 1-pound sack, or as much as you like, by the pound. How much seed? There are seed coverage suggestions on the Zinnia Mix and Sunflower Mix pages at EdenBrothers.com. It couldn't be easier. I'm Eric Allen for EdenBrothers.com, the seediest place on earth.